Hello everyone, thanks for watching. This is Danny Mustafa with Aladdins Window Tinting, and today I'm going to show you the differences between Knifeless Tape and Wrap Cut Pro. These are both different systems of methods, if you will, of cutting through vinyl without having to take a knife to the car, and there are some pros and cons to either one. With Knifeless Tape, one of the nice things is that this one is going to be the one that's going to allow you to actually do a little bit more in terms of designs and turning. And with Wrap Cut Pro, this is a much thicker tape, if you will. This one you can tear much more easily. And so with this one, it's not going to like going into curves as much. See, it already binded on itself and folded over on itself. So this one I've found works much better for straight runs. There's plenty of areas where you do have a lot of straight cuts. I've been using it on headlights and taillights, like under the hood. On headlights recently, nice clean cut across the top of the headlight and not have to put a score into the plastic or anything like that. So Wrap Cut Pro has been basically what I've been using for straight cuts lately, and it's been working out. I actually kind of dig this stuff. So I just wanted to show you a quick comparison video on the two of them together. So we've got Knifeless Tape. This is going to be one that gets you the ability to do a little bit more in terms of design. And then Wrap Cut Pro is going to be one that we're going to want for straight runs. And the reason I forgot to mention, the very, very most important reason, is money saving. This stuff is much more expensive compared to the Wrap Cut Pro. So this has been a little bit of a money saver for long straight runs and just other little odds and ends. Knifeless Tape's a little bit faster and to start it and things like that with. You just come back over, and basically all you have to do on this is pinch this. Oop, came out of my hand. Get it to come through the middle of the tape. When you get to the vinyl, put your finger over it and nice smooth pull. All right. So we're going to get rid of what we don't want, which is this side up here. And you're left with just a nice, very nice clean edge. All right. And with Wrap Cut Pro, it's a little bit different starting this one. You actually have to cut this tape because it's a little bit stronger. So I put a score in it, and then pull on it till you feel the filament break free. And the filament on this one is actually at the very edge of the tape, which makes a difference in terms of the design and things like that and how it's going to cut. Same concept. So that was a quick comparison of Knifeless Tape versus Wrap Cut Pro. Let me know what products you're using, if you like any of these ones, your thoughts, questions. I appreciate you watching and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out for that next piece of content. Appreciate you. Thanks, guys.